Hello, and welcome to Nostalgic Nick-Nacks, my Perler Beading retro gaming YouTube channel. Thanks so much for being here. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the most adorable world map sprites I've ever seen. Yes, of course, I'm talking about Chrono Trigger and these little guys right here. So stay tuned to learn how to make these little guys. But first, a quick look at what I love about Chrono Trigger. Chrono Trigger was the third RPG that I've ever experienced when I was growing up and learning about RPGs. First one, Final Fantasy IV. Second one, Final Fantasy VI. And then Chrono Trigger. I absolutely fell in love with the game from the first moment we rented it. And we rented it several times till we actually bought it. And it's such a special game to me, still to this day. I'm going to show you today how to make these sprites out of perler beads. Isn't Robo cute? Let's get started. So we have Luca, Frog, Marl, Chrono, Robo, Magus, and Ayla. You can make them into keychains. You can put little magnets on them. You can make little stands for them. So let's get started with what you need. So get these guys out of the way. Of course, a small perler board. You are going to need lots of different colors. I'll go over those with each individual sprite. And I will show you a time lapse, how I build each one. So I'm going to start with Luca, and I will show you also how I iron them and flatten them and everything. So here we go. I just want to jump in right here and say that you have to be patient when you're ironing. You can't just go in here, go really fast, and expect to have a great product. So please, take your time. It's going to take you a few times to get this right. My first project was not right the first time I did it. In fact, it was a complete mess. So please, take your time. It really helps to have a nice little heat press where you can do detailed work. Okay, one more thing I want to show you is how to make these guys into keychains. So first you need keychains. I got these from Amazon. They come, I think it's 100 pack of keychains. They come with, of course, the chain itself, the loop, and then how you attach it onto your Perler. Let's make a keychain out of Robo. So it's a little tricky, but you gotta get in the circle with it. Once you do that, you're gonna go to your Perler. You're gonna go up to the corner bead, and it might take a few tries, but you're gonna loop it through. And then what I found really helps me is a pair of jewelry pliers. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to press it together, and that's all there is to it. Now you got a cool Robo keychain. Now when you're finished, you can share these with friends, hang them anywhere. They love to hang. And there you have it. Sprites from Chrono Trigger. I have to say the Robo is my absolute favorite. So thanks so much for watching. Please leave a comment, let me know what would you like to see me make? And what is your favorite Chrono Trigger memory? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, happy beading.